Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earbud with our phone. Guys, you want to pair your Bluetooth earbud, guys, you have got the same like this digital earbud, and guys you want to pair with your phone. So guys, how can you pair and then how can you use your Bluetooth setting in your Tecno phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting to pair. So and guys, take out your earbuds. You want to pair one, you want to pair both of, so I take out your both of earbud. Scroll guys, you can see more connection guys, tap here guys, click on phone Bluetooth setting. First of all guys, we will have to enable our phone Bluetooth, and guys you want to disable your Bluetooth setting, you can enable and disable from here. So we will enable, and guys with refresh, as you can see guys, this paired device you can check, and as you can see available device here. So I wait for a while, it will not work, so don't worry guys. What will you have to do guys, you will have to guys off your earbuds, and we will take out again our earbuds, then we can pair it easily guys. Refresh, sometimes guys it's happen, so don't worry, you can off your earbuds and guys you can on it. So as you can see here, Preton TWS guys, I have this Bluetooth earbud, I will tap here to pair. Then guys you can see this pair with Preton TWS guys, allow access to your contacts and call history guys, tap here to pair. Hence you want to check guys your Bluetooth earbud battery percent, you can check from here, I have 100%. So like that guys, you can pair your Bluetooth earbud. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.